Greetings everyone, I'm John from Dealing Nerd, your go-to destination for transformative home improvement ideas. Today we embark on an exciting journey to revamp your personal space with innovative men's bedroom ideas. From vibrant colors to unique tables, each suggestion is crafted to infuse your room with modern style and comfort. Stick around as we delve deeper into these concepts, aiming to not just inspire but guide you through the process of reinventing your haven. Vibrant colors and textures. Let's kick off with a game changer. Vibrant colors and textures elevate your room by selecting bold hues like red, blue, green, or yellow. Beyond color, experiment with various fabrics, velvet, leather, wool, or silk, blending them to create a dynamic, personalized atmosphere that reflects your unique style. Now, let's talk about the heartbeat of any bedroom, unique tables. Go beyond the conventional and explore shapes, materials, and functionality. Picture a round marble table, a wooden trunk, or one with built-in storage or charging ports. These tables not only serve a purpose, but also become eye-catching focal points in your modernized space. Coastal Cozy. Craving a modern yet cozy vibe, enter the coastal cozy style. Drawing inspiration from the beach, opt for light colors, natural materials, and nautical elements. Imagine white or light blue walls adorned with rattan, wicker, or bamboo furniture accented with seashells, starfish, or anchors. Transform your room into a retreat, including a sense of relaxation reminiscent of a seaside escape. Embrace bold patterns. Ready for a bold statement? Embrace patterns, incorporate geometrical, floral, animal, or abstract pattern via wallpaper, rugs, curtains, or pillows. Balance them with solid colors and simple furniture to infuse visual interest and a touch of creativity into your modernized bedroom. Antique furnishing style. For those seeking sophistication, consider the antique furnishing style. Transport your room to the past with vintage, classic, or retro furniture. Think a four-poster bed, Chesterfield sofa, or a classic chandelier. Embrace dark colors and rich fabrics like velvet, brocade, or damask to exude an air of refinement and cultured elegance. Rustic retreat. Seeking warmth and comfort, enter the rustic retreat style. Drawing inspiration from the countryside, incorporate natural, organic, or reclaimed materials such as wood, stone, metal, or leather. Warm colors, a cozy fireplace, or a soft fur rug create a welcoming ambience, reminiscent of for a cabin or a farmhouse. Concluding our journey with the modern and chic geometric grayness, keep it sleek and minimalist with shades of grey, black, and white. Integrate geometric shapes, metal, glass, or concrete furniture along with modern accessories. This style radiates a cool and contemporary vibe, showcasing your trendy and modern side. That concludes our exploration of modern men's bedroom ideas. I trust you have gathered inspiration for your personal sanctuary. If you enjoy these insights, don't forget to show some love, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more home improvement gems. Exploring DrillingNerd.com for plethora of ideas.